Hello everyone. I just want to show how you could do a junk journal. I'm doing a Disney junk journal. Very low cost, very effective. I had bought this at Walmart a while ago to do my, my junk journal. So I did this by my own. I bought this at the Dollar Tree. They had some Disney things. Go to the kids section. That's where you could find really good stuff. And I made it as a book. Okay. So I just grabbed a couple of papers and did my own little notebook. I stapled it. Just grabbed some paper, put it in, stapled it, and made my own little notebook to put it here. Okay, so yeah, the stickers, everything, I got it at the Dollar Tree. I had bought some stickers that are puffy from the Dollar Tree, and I made my own paper clips from it. See, got my paper clip, and put a little bling bling on the back of the paper clip, as you can see, with hot glue. Very easy to make. Have Pocahontas here. All of this from the Dollar Tree, you guys, even the paper clips. Okay, so you can make a cost-effective junk journal, just out of the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and it's fun to make. So